AI red teaming. AI red teaming. AI red teaming is the practice of intentionally attacking or probing an AI system to expose failures, security gaps, and harmful behaviors before real users encounter them.
A simple way to think about AI red teaming is as ethical hackers for models. A trusted team pretends to be the worst possible user, pushing the system with tricky prompts, edge cases, and adversarial inputs to see where it breaks or misbehaves. Instead of assuming the model is safe, they assume it will fail and systematically hunt for those failure modes.
For example, a company deploying a large language model chatbot might hire a red team to try to make it leak sensitive data, generate hate speech, or give dangerous medical or financial advice, then use those findings to tighten policies, prompts, and safety filters. Concepts like responsible AI, which you may have seen elsewhere, often rely on red teaming as a concrete way to test whether safety principles actually hold up under pressure.
AI red teaming matters because modern models are deployed into high-stakes domains, and naive testing often misses rare but catastrophic failures that attackers or real users will eventually trigger. Organizations use red teaming to meet safety standards, satisfy regulators, and build trust that their AI systems behave acceptably under stress, making AI red teaming a core part of serious AI safety practice. AI red teaming.